Hey guys, Danny here at Partay. How you doing today? Just wanted to drop in and share a little bit, chat a little bit with you today. I'll be uploading a video this weekend, Saturday or Sunday, where I'll cover the evolution of Partay over 2023, some of our goals, some of our ambitions, and the way that we're going to try to do some stretch goals for 2023. But in the meantime, I thought I'd just come out here and share a little fun with you. As many of you who follow know, we've had this hack fraud out here that we've been dealing with for years. He's miffed because his business has definitely been hurt by the revelation of the fact that what he's doing out there is complete and total fraud. So we thought we'd just cover a couple of other things because he's still out there kind of doing his little undercurrent of rampage. So we thought that we would share some of the things that we see that are pretty ironic with this guy. Starting with, now this is just a little thing, but very ironic to me. So you've got somebody, this is Kenneth Bird, formerly known as Crystal Edge Technologies. I think now he goes by Black Series Edition, but by most people he's known as the Scam Channel, the Scam Projection Screen Channel. But this guy has trolled YouTube sites out there, ungodly, okay, in an ungodly way, but has trolled these YouTube sites, basically calling out anybody who's ever used blinds. Get those blinds up, open those blinds up. You shouldn't be using blinds. I don't use those things. I'm here all day in my house and I don't have to use blinds. And guess what we see? What are those? Ooh, those are blinds. Why are you using blinds? You should be opening those things all the way up. Well, like I said, that's just a small thing, but it just goes to show how this guy is a complete nincompoop. Gee whiz, as he likes to say. But on a bigger note, okay, and this one I find extremely ironic, but also a bit crazy, which just goes to show you the mentality of the knucklehead that you're dealing with out there if you ever decide to do business with this scammer. But just want to call this one out specifically. Now, he was chastising someone yesterday, I believe, about using a projector from 16 feet back, and they had it zoomed in to fit to a 100-inch screen. And if you look at Projector Central, you can tell that, it would be making a bigger image than that. And all the while that he's saying this, looky here. Now, while he's chastising that person, it could have been me for all I know. He didn't say who it was. But if you look at it, he's using a 3600 lumen ultra short throw projector just a few inches away from the screen to make roughly a 50 to 55 inch screen. But yet he's chastising somebody for making a 100-inch screen from 16 feet away. That's like chastising somebody for yelling at their kid while you're slapping your kid in the mouth. The saddest part is that even at 50 to 55 inches, you can see, and with his ISO and exposure jacked up on his phone, you can still see that this sucks. This is a horrible image. And he's trying to tell you that this is just the greatest stuff of all time. The greatest stuff of all time. You notice how foggy everything looks in there? It looks like they're filming Kenny Carpenter's The Fog 2. Allentown Boogaloo. But wait, it gets better. He did a 1,000 lumen demonstration, and look at this. This is like a 40-inch. He just keeps shrinking and getting smaller, and he's zooming. He ain't even using all 40 inches of that, so you're really looking at about 35-inch demo. Nobody serious about projection is going to buy a projector to make a 35-inch image. Just not going to happen. Surprisingly, I did not know they made a nighttime version of this video. All right, until next time, you guys take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.